Hi everyone, Zed here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to insert data in Python. So I'm going to use right now VS Editor, and you can check this is terminal I'm going to use. And I have created virtual environment also. So you can create, if you want to create virtual environment, you can create in your system. So I will give you descriptions area link also. You can create from you can create in your system. Okay, so now I am going to inside of the here. Now I'm going to use import. Okay, now import, I'm going to use MySQL connector as MySQL. Okay, one second. Yes, now this done. Now we need to connect with the database, so I'm going to use db mysql dot connect. Here we need to add a host. Okay, so I'm going to type host name as a local host. Okay, now here we need to add user name. You can check here, user name is root, and here password equal to root @123, and database, one second, and database equal to real programmer. Okay, you can check here real programmer. I'm going to real programmers. Now once this is done, we need to use as a cursor, so I'm going to use cursor equal to db.cursor. Once this is done, then here we need to use query variable. I'm going to use insert into user space name comma user underscore name. We have created two variable. Okay, so I'm going to use user underscore this one, and value is percentage basically is a percentage s and percentage s. Okay, I will show you how what is this in here. Okay, now this is a query. I'm going to use value equal to, within a bracket I want to use user equal to real programmer comma, here username is, I'm going to use real programmer. Okay, real programmer. Once this is done, again use here as a cursor dot execute space query comma values. Okay, now once again dot values. Now db dot commit, I'm going to print cursor dot row count comma data saved. Now check. I'm going to use python space db.py. Sorry, I have given here as a wrong. We need to give here space. Now you can check here one data saved successfully. Okay, so if you have any doubt related to this video, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to explain you again. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.